Alright, I just want to say, this is the last time I'm ordering from fucking Papa John's. Because this lady made me go outside and go to her car to get the fucking pizza. She didn't even come to my fucking front door of the apartment. Oh, I'm angry. But anyway, Papa John's, mukbang. Yep. Anyway, I got the cheeseburger pizza. This is what it looks like. Alright, sure. Oh, it looks kind of good, but I'm kind of skeptical about the pickles. And then I got some cheesy bread because why not? Alright, I'm getting so angry right now. Oh, I'm hungry and I want to eat. And this is like, it's annoying me. Anyway, got some ranch and some garlic sauce. Yippee-ki-yay. So open some ranch. And you know what? I'm actually really angry about that too. I'm gonna actually email Papa John's and see what they're gonna do for me. What they're gonna bring me. Alright, so I got some garlic. Oh, I'm gonna start off with 2 because I'm fucking starving, Marvin. Yeah, I'm kind of pissed actually. That really hit the spot. So I don't know, what do you guys want to talk about? I kind of want to just talk about this friggin' pizza. I'm gonna have a pickle. I'm not a big pickle person either. I'm gonna go get me a tall glass of water. I'll be right back. Scoop back into the frame. Ooh. Alright. So, let's try this. So this is what it looks like. It comes with beef, tomatoes, pickles, and cheese and all that. Oh, I think I just swallowed a pickle whole. It definitely tastes like a burger because they have like that. They have a special burger sauce that they use instead of like marinara. So it's actually really good. I'd definitely recommend this to other people. Oh, pretty hot. I kind of want to like go on Facebook Live or something. So we're going live on Facebook, so I'm gonna kind of put my phone right here. Ooh, that works perfectly. Okay. Okay, so Facebook Live, I'm doing a mukbang on YouTube. That's where I sit in front of the camera and eat a bunch of food, and apparently people like it because my last mukbang got me about 600 views. So here I am to do it again, and I have some pizza and some cheesy bread, and I'm doing a mukbang. And last time I uploaded a mukbang to YouTube, I got like 600 views, so I'm gonna start doing mukbangs like every other, like once a week or something, because 600 people watched my last video about eating Domino's, and so I was like, why not do it again? So I got Pizza Hut here, or Papa John's, the cheeseburger pizza, and I'm just freaking excited. I'm pumped. 20% battery? My phone was just at 35%. What are you talking about? You're stressing me out. Okay. So, hi Amber. You're not the only one that watches me. Shouts out to you. High five. Anyway, I'm trying the cheeseburger pizza. And I got some cheesy bread here. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it all because it just looks so overwhelming. Got some water. So, oh, there that goes. Alright, let's hope this works. Alright. Oh! Hey. So, I don't know. Ask me questions, guys. I got to talk somehow. Hi, Tiffany. Oh. So, I mean, I guess I can just kind of talk about my favorite movies or something. I don't know. You guys ask me questions. Why do we never hang out anymore? I don't know, Tiffany. Let's do something soon. Yo! What up, my peeps? You guys, Papa John's has like a pizza, a cheeseburger pizza, and this is what it looks like. Alright. Nope. Alright. It's got pickles on it and tomatoes. I live in Forest Lake. I live right by the old fire department. In that general area. I don't live in the village apartments. Those piece of... Oh, I don't even want to talk about those. I do not live in the village apartments, so let's just say that. I live around there. That looks revolting. It is, but surprisingly it's actually really good. I got them all to eat because this video is already 8 minutes long and I've only eaten this piece of pizza, so. No, but there's a special burger sauce and it's literally, it's amazing. It's freaking amazing. It's so good. What do I do for work? Well, let's just, I don't know if we should be telling the YouTube people this. I don't know. But anyway, I am a newspaper boy at night, and I'm a residential coordinator for a group home for adults with disabilities, right down the road in Forest Lake, so pretty close. Ooh, it's dripping. Oh. Got all my dipping sauces. I should have grabbed some napkins for real. It's so hard to just shove your face in with food so much. It's like crazy. Slice number 2. Mmm. Yeah, look at that. A pickle on a pizza. Would you guys ever try pickle on a pizza? I hate pickles, but I'm willing to try it. Who's that? No. No, Tiffany. Sasha, I'm eating the cheeseburger pizza. It's brand new from Papa John's. It's got pickles, tomatoes, a bunch of cheese, and it has like a special burger sauce. Yeah, it's like a cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger pizza. To die for. So good. I'm doing it for my mukbang. I love taco pizza. Taco pizza is everything. Casey's General Store has the best. Ew. Do you see that highlighter right there? It's just grease. Should I use grease as highlighter? Yes, ma'am. Gross. I'm running low on water. Can y'all thumbs up the video? Show me some love. Should we turn on some music? Hey Alexa, play some jams.
Here's a station you might like. Relaxing Christmas.
Okay, Alexa, you coming through?
A secret chord
Ah,
that David played.
this is like the best Christmas song ever.
But you don't really care for music, do you? What
Hallelujah. Gives me chills. Alexa, turn it down.
the major league
Alexa, turn it down. You're too loud. Alexa is my BFF right there. Love you, Alexa.
I'm not sure.
Just stop. Ooh, is it? There we go. No. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is like way too overexposed. Hey guys, more questions, please. That's my girl, Alexa. Alexa, play some Lady Gaga. I don't know. No. What do you guys want to listen to?
Shuffling songs by Lady Gaga.
Oh, I love you, Ashley. Thank you. Oh. How much was that thing? Not that I need it for anything. Do you sit there and listen? Sometimes I do. She's very entertaining when I have guests over, but wait, I don't even have guests over. What are you talking? What am I talking about? Alexa, stop. But yeah, I mainly use her for when I cook. I just say, hey Alexa. I say her name, because if I say her name, she's going to go off. But anyway, I use it for a timer whenever I'm cooking stuff in the oven or something. Very nice. Pizza is from Papa John's. Though I'm getting stuffed. Oh, I don't even think I ate anything today. I'll definitely have leftovers for lunch tomorrow. Oh, sorry. Tiffany, I didn't even answer your question. She was expensive. I don't even know how much she was. I'll have to go on my Amazon account. I think she was like 150 or something. Yeah. No, I got her on sale because she was refurbished. But yeah, well, it's nice when I'm cleaning the apartment or my apartment or something. I just say, hey Alexa, play some music, and she always comes through with the jams. More questions, people, please. Sorry, I'm so greedy. Ooh. That was gross. I just wiped my face on my freaking thing. For a damn speaker, no thanks. If I want to ask a bitch questions, I'll go to Rio. Oh my goodness. My kitty is playing with a ponytail right now. Malibu! And Medusa's probably sleeping somewhere. Kitty, kitty, kitty! Come here! Oh, I know how to get her. She'll come over here with this. I'm moving my phone cord, my charger, so she can come over here. Get over here, bitch! Aw. She's not coming. She don't listen. Hold on, let me go grab her. No, she's not coming. Sorry, no kitties. I mean, we can give her a good glimpse right here. There she is. She's playing with a ponytail, whatever. Got all my Amazon packages. I'm addicted to online shopping for real. Oh, my stomach. No, I gotta use all these dipping sauces though. It was horrible. Yes, Tiffany. I live alone. Me and my two kitties forever and ever. 13, yeah. Yes, girl. She's in the closet. She's in the closet right now. She's been naughty. Oh my gosh, why won't this stay? Okay. Alright guys, we have 3 slices down. We got about 7 to go. I'm just trying to intake all this pizza for real. It's getting to my stomach. Normally I don't eat all this pizza, but my stomach's gonna thank me later. I don't know, they say you're supposed to eat it all, but I don't think I'm going to. It's just a lot. It's so much. It's too much for me right now. I'll just continue eating this cheese bread. No, this is throwing off my diet. I'm supposed to be dieting. Pizza's not supposed to be good for you. Oh my gosh, should I do it, guys? Should I do it? Oh my gosh, they gave me like 15 of them. Am I want some? Oh, I'm full. I'm so full. Alright, one more slice. That was really epic. You got that right, Sasha. Oh, Amber, I could never. Oh my gosh. Oh. I have really bad acid reflux, so it just feels like it's full of juice or something. Ew. I don't know. Should I eat this? Look at, why is this one so big? Why is it so, ew, oh my gosh, I can't. No, seriously. But I wouldn't buy this again. It's too much for me. Guys, I'm feeling full. Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing highlighting. I'm just going to take a little bit of this grease, top grease right here. And we're just going to highlight our cheekbones. That was gross. I'm sorry. Refill. Be right back. I'm sorry, I have to use like a special. I can't have like. I have to have filtered water. Otherwise, my stomach gets all messy and bougie. And my cats are the same way too. Like I literally have to give my cats filtered water. Otherwise, they won't drink it. They don't like Forest Lake water for some reason. Oh, sorry for this burp. Oh, that wasn't a bad one. I was trying to catch my breath. Alright, we're gonna put this cheesy bread away. Oh my gosh, I'm so full, you guys. And what is that? That piece of beef? Maybe, oh my gosh, you guys, should I make Monday mukbangs a thing? Every Monday night do a mukbang? That's so gross. You guys will have to get used to it. Monday mukbangs. Hashtag it. Hashtag Monday mukbangs. I should get like a banner. That's funny. I crack myself up sometimes. No, but this YouTube video is gonna be like 20 minutes long. Bye, Sasha. Good night. If I could marry one thing in the world, it'd be water. It's the best thing in the world. Ooh. Ew. I got an end of a pickle. Alright guys, I ate half of the pizza. That's all I'm eating. I feel gross. I feel like I need a shower. Just after eating the pizza. Who's else still watching? Let's swipe and see. We got Amber and Ashley. So you have the hardest time drinking water. Oh my gosh, seriously, it's the only thing I drink. Seriously, I don't drink anything. Like seriously, I say seriously too much, but I mean every Friday I spoil myself and I have a pop. But Saturday through Friday or Saturday through Thursday, water all day, baby. Seriously, I'm getting there. I don't know, maybe you should just try to make yourself used to water more often, you know, like drink it as much as you can. Because that's what I did. And seriously, I've lost so much weight from just drinking water. That's insane. Like I drink like 3. Hold on, oh wait, no, I don't think I have my water bottle here. But it's like literally like a 40-ounce bottle. I drink like 3 or 4 of those a day. Alright guys, I'm gonna be signing off here in like a couple of seconds, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to tune in to next Monday's mukbang. What do you guys want me to eat next week? Oh no, I'll post a status or something. This is not a fucking truth is, Emma. I'm sorry to swear at you, but this ain't no freaking first impressions video, okay? Sorry. Hi, Erica. Tacos? Ooh, maybe. I don't know. Mexican food. I'm seriously, Emma, I didn't, the purpose of this video is not to do a first impressions. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Check it up. It'll be on YouTube. But you guys are already staying for the live video feed, so you know, why watch the YouTube video? Oh, there that goes. Anyway, I will talk to you guys next Monday. Stay safe and whatever. Love you, bye.